In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and let me show you how to activate Game Launcher on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then you can smoothly enter under search area Game Launcher. Okay, so it's right here, and if you'd like to activate it, actually now it is active, just tap on this switcher and it will organize all your games in one place and give you access to extra features. So just click here, and now if you will go to your home screen, you can find Game Launcher somewhere here. Just let me take a look. Here it is, so just click on it, and here you can smoothly set it up and have all your games right here. So this is it. As you can see here, we've got all the games that I've got installed. Obviously you will be able to see yours, and this is it. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.